Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today announced that the state government has decided to appoint Saiko Mirabai Chanu as additional superintendent of police sports in Manipur Police Department. The state government has also announced a cash reward of Rs 1 crore for weightlifter Mirabai, who cleans a silver medal in the ongoing Tokyo Olympics. Olympian judo Kalikmabam Sushila Devi will also be promoted from post of constable to sub-inspector, he said. CM also announced that all the Olympic participants from Manipur will also be given Rs 25 lakh each. Final judgment on disqualification case of 12 Manipur MLAs has been adjourned until Tuesday. Earlier, the Supreme Court scheduled to announce the final judgment today. An earthquake with a magnitude of 4.9 hit Manipur today. There were no reports of damage. The earthquake struck at 10:33 a.m. and was measured at 4.9 on the Richter magnitude scale. Its epicenter is said to be 39 km from Ukhrul in Manipur's Ukhrul district, according to the National Center of Seismology, Ministry of Earth Sciences. Manipuri State Film Development Society MSFDS and Cine Director Guild Manipur today deeply condole the death of Manipuri film producer director Chan Haisnam. All Manipur BDF Welfare Association Central Committee Association today condoled the sudden demise of Professor Laisram Sadananda Singh, who was a long-time advisor of the association. The association said it shares the grief of the bereaved family. The Committee on COVID-19 Manipur today continued its anti-COVID publicity. The committee was formed by MSU, KADA, IPACO, UPF, NIPCO and MAPI Council. Considering the woe of farmers caused by scanty rainfall this season, member of ICAR Society, New Delhi and former president of BJP Kisan Morcha, KH Nabakumar today donated 3 water pumping sets to the farmers of Naudakhong, Wangu, Selungkhong and Kumbi.